us today. We are talking about motorcycles, and whether you're actually riding one or you're sharing the road with one, it can make for a dangerous summer season. Already this year, we've had several fatalities with motorcyclists, and we want to talk about making the road safer and talking about drivers as well as the cyclists. I have Sergeant Dan Ditchkovsky. Correct?
Correct.
All right, from the Erie County Sheriff's Department. And we are talking today about making everybody more aware of how to behave on the road safely so we can live together on the roads for this summer season. We've had, it seems like more than usual number of fatalities, motorcycle fatalities this season so far. Is that what you're feeling as well?
No, actually, if you look at, I believe last year's, there were more fatalities early on in the motorcycle season. I think early on in the season, every year, you have a pretty good spike of accidents because people are getting used to riding their motorcycles out for the season. People who are driving cars are getting used to seeing motorcycles out on the road. So it usually starts out a little rough, and then as the summer goes on,
hopefully we'll level off.
Hopefully level off, yeah.
You yourself are a motorcyclist,
yeah.
And we were talking earlier, and we were talking about the importance of education. Tell us about what your history is.
Yeah, I wouldn't even dream of getting a license to drive a motorcycle without going to school first. I went to school first before I received my license, and it was the best thing I ever did. I learned so much about driving a motorcycle, and it also enhanced my driving skills in a car.
Where do you go to school, and is it required? Obviously not, to get a license.
No. Unfortunately, no, it's not required. There's a program, the program that I went to is called Ride with Pride. They use the tarmac out behind the Eastern Hills Mall, and they cordoned it off, and they brought the motorcycles out, they gave us helmets, and we spent a lot of time out there.
Let's talk about, in the little time we have left, about 40 seconds, let's talk about safety and what car drivers can do to become more aware as well as motorcyclists.
Every time, because most motorcycle accidents involve a car, motorists need to be aware. Motorcycles are out on the road. They have a very low profile. Be mindful, look both ways to make sure that there are no cars or motorcycles coming. Motorcyclists need to be aware that when they're driving down the road, to constantly be aware that a car could come out in front of them. Obviously, don't drink and drive, whether you're driving a motorcycle or a car.
And speeding.
And speeding is just, it doesn't matter whether you're driving a car or a motorcycle. Speed kills.
Sergeant Dan Ditchkovsky from the Erie County Sheriff's Department, thank you very much for joining us today. You've made the road safer, hopefully, giving us advice. Thank you very much.